and this is CSD Baking. Today we are going to be making some lemon meringue pie. This recipe, you'll need a pre-baked pie crust. You can check this out in another one of our videos. Next, you'll want 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, you'll want 1.5 cups of water. Then, 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then, you're going to want to put it on a saucepan at medium-high heat. Make sure to stir it frequently. When it starts to thicken, put in 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, you'll need 4 eggs. You're going to break them and then separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Be careful not to get any egg yolk into the egg white, otherwise it won't work. Now, you'll save these for later. Now, take about half of what's in your saucepan and pour it into the eggs. Now, mix it together. Then, pour it back into the saucepan and mix well. Now, with your 4 egg whites, mix up some meringue. This has 6 tablespoons of sugar in it. Now, pour the lemon filling into a pre-baked pie crust. Pour your meringue onto your lemon pie filling. Now, put your pie in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Once the top has become a nice brown, pull it out of the oven with some oven mitts. Now, that's your lemon meringue pie done. That's all for today. See you next time on CSD Baking.